Welcome to the import scheduler. This video will be about one component of the import scheduler, namely the CSV import record, the template record. So the first step is to create a saved CSV import template. And you can do that by going to Setup, Import Export, and then click Import CSV Records. Once you have imported once, you can save that import as a template, and that template will show up in this this page, the Saved CSV Imports page. You can get here, again, under Setup, Import Export, and Saved CSV Imports. Okay, so you have to begin by creating the template manually using that template creation wizard. Okay, so now you have a template that you'd like to use for a scheduled import. So make note of two things. One, you have to make note of the name of the template, and two, of the ID. This is the internal ID. We'll be taking both of those values and putting them on a custom record. We can get to these custom records by navigating to this page, the import template page. In our case, we're going to create a new import template. So let's say we're going to create one for test employee imports. So with an ID of 4 and a name of test employee imports. So we go here and we'll type in test employee imports. And what was that ID again? 4. And we type in 4. And then we click save, and we're done. We've created that import template record, which we can now reference in our scheduled importer.